Yo, adventure seekers, ready for an epic journey? Bear Grylls here, gearing up to dive into the mesmerizing waters of Paulina Lake. Nestled in Oregon's Cascade Mountains, this isn't just any swimming hole, it's where adventure meets serenity. Thousands of years ago, a volcanic eruption left behind a colossal crater. That crater filled with stunning blue water, creating Paulina Lake, a natural wonder, a volcanic beauty, a testament to nature's power. Beneath the serene waters lies a fiery past, a story waiting to be discovered. Whether kayaking or fishing, every moment connects you to ancient forces. As the sun sets, you'll feel the magic of this place, born from fire, water, and time. So adventure seekers, are you ready to dive into the liquid legacy of a volcano? Paulina Lake awaits. Please like, share, and subscribe. Picture this, a sapphire gem nestled in a crown of volcanic peaks. That's Paulina Lake for ya. Stretching over 6 miles, this lake ain't messing around. At its deepest point, it plunges down over 250 feet. That's like diving headfirst off a 25-story building. But it's not just the size that gets me pumped. The whole lake sits inside this massive volcanic caldera, remnants of an eruption that rocked the Cascades. Imagine the power, the heat, the sheer force of nature that sculpted this landscape. It's enough to make your head spin. Now let's talk about the lake's quirks. Remember that volcano I mentioned? Well, it left behind some pretty cool souvenirs. Underwater thermal vents bubble up from the lake bed, heating the water in spots. Talk about a natural hot tub. And if that ain't enough, check out the twin waterfall cascading down the caldera wall. It's like something straight out of Jurassic Park. This place is a constant reminder that nature is full of surprises, a delicate dance between fire and water. Paulina Lake ain't just a pretty face. Nestled in the heart of Oregon, this lake is a hidden gem for nature lovers and fishing enthusiasts alike. It's teeming with fish, making it an angler's paradise. We're talking rainbow trout, kokanee salmon, and even the elusive brown trout. Each species brings its own unique challenge and excitement. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a novice, there's always something new to discover. These fish are hungry and thrive on the abundant food sources, making them more likely to bite. I remember one time I was out on the lake, just me and my trusty fishing rod. The sun was setting, casting a golden glow over the water. Just as I was about to call it quits, bam! My line went taut and I felt a powerful tug. I reeled in the biggest, most beautiful rainbow trout I'd ever seen. Its scales shimmered in the fading light. Sharing that freshly caught fish with my family by the lakeside was the perfect end to an unforgettable day. Section 5. To motor or not to motor? That is the question. Now, if you're itching to explore every nook and cranny of Paulina Lake, you've got options. Motorized boats are welcome here, so feel free to fire up those engines and cruise around. But for those who prefer a little peace and quiet, fear not. Non-motorized boats are just as welcome, whether you're paddling a kayak, rowing a canoe, or zipping around in a motorboat. Paulina Lake has something for everyone. Just remember to be respectful of other boaters and the environment. Section 6. Rules of the watery road. Hold your horses, speed demons. Before you go full throttle on Paulina Lake, there are a few rules we gotta cover. First off, safety first. Life jackets are a must for every passenger, no exceptions. And keep an eye out for those pesky underwater hazards, especially near the shore. Speed limits are in place to keep everyone safe, so don't even think about turning this lake into your personal racetrack. And remember, alcohol and boating don't mix. Save the celebratory drinks for after you're safely back on dry land. Section 7. Casting lines and catching memories. For all you fishing fanatics, Paulina Lake is a dream come true. Nestled in the heart of nature, this lake offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Cast your line from the shore, where the gentle lapping of the water against the rocks creates a soothing soundtrack to your day. A dock, where you can feel the slight sway beneath your feet as you wait for that telltale tug on your line. Or even your boat, where you can drift lazily across the water, chasing the perfect spot. Just be sure to grab your fishing license before you go. It's a small step that ensures you're fishing responsibly and helps preserve this beautiful environment for future generations. Trust me, the last thing you want is a run-in with the fish police. But more than that, it's about respecting the rules that keep this place pristine. Whether you're an experienced angler with years of practice under your belt, or a complete novice just learning the ropes, Paulina Lake welcomes you with open arms. There's something magical about casting a line into these pristine waters. The anticipation, the quiet moments of reflection, and the thrill of the catch all combine to create an unforgettable experience. It's a chance to connect with nature, test your skills, and find a sense of peace that only a day on the water can provide. And if you're lucky, you might even bring home dinner. Imagine the satisfaction of cooking up a fresh catch, knowing you reeled it in yourself. Just remember, it's not always about the catch. The true joy often lies in the journey, the shared moments, and the stories that will be told for years to come. Sometimes the real treasure is the memories you make along the way. So gather your friends, pack your gear, and head to Paulina Lake. Whether you catch the big one or not, you're sure to leave with a heart full of memories and a smile on your face. Section 8. A symphony of nature's wonders. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the water, Paulina Lake transforms into a symphony of nature's wonders. The sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors reflecting off the water's surface. The air is alive with the sounds of birdsong and the gentle lapping of waves against the shore. In these tranquil moments, time seems to stand still. The worries of the world melt away, replaced by a sense of peace and awe. It's a reminder that some things in life are best experienced firsthand, in the embrace of nature's grandeur. Section 9. Paulina Lake awaits. Your adventure begins now. So there you have it, folks. Paulina Lake, a place where volcanic history collides with breathtaking beauty, where adventure awaits around every bend. Whether you're seeking thrills on the water, tranquility in nature's embrace, or simply a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, Paulina Lake has something for everyone. Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and head on over to this Oregon gem. Trust me, Paulina Lake won't disappoint. Please like, share, and subscribe.